How do you see the role of medical affairs changing then beyond this and growing in the future?
So, I think there's a lot of discussion around this, and there has been for some years. We're seeing an evolution in the model from the more traditional sales model, sort of very much supported by medical affairs, but not really led by medical affairs. And I think we are moving in a direction which is, for some of the reasons we've already discussed, which is maybe more where medical affairs is taking more of a leadership function. And I really hope that we continue to see that. I mean, I myself aim to transition as part of my development plan into commercial roles in the future. And my perception is that there's a lot more medical associates, so people with some sort of medical background, whether that be a medical degree, having worked in a medical function, maybe a pharmacist, moving into more senior management and commercial roles. And when you see that transition happening, there's a much greater appreciation of what medical affairs offers and the value it brings. So I think companies are seeing that actually having people who have done different types of roles within the industry is actually really valuable. And I do feel that will help us move towards a model which is probably much more led by a medical function, although there will always be a place for commercial functions. And I'm always the first to say to my team, if there's any reticence about anything that the commercial team is doing, that actually, we need the commercial side of the business. We need to be developing the drugs and making them safe, but we also need to be selling them to be able to fund the next round of innovation and research. So every role is incredibly important. It's just the balance of which part of the company maybe has the leadership kind of element, which I think is important. And I definitely see medical affairs taking more of a leadership role in the future.